AI is coming to your industry if it isn't already here. But AI needs lots of speed and computing power. So how do you compute without costs spiraling? Upgrade to Oracle Cloud Infrastructure, or OCI. OCI is the blazing fast and secure platform for your infrastructure, database, application development, and AI workloads. Right now, Oracle is offering to cut your current cloud bill in half if you move to OCI for new U.S. customers with minimum financial commitment. Offer ends March 31st. See if your company qualifies at oracle.com/DCR.
Your data is like gold to hackers, and they'll sell it to the highest bidder. Are you protected? McAfee helps shield you, blocking suspicious texts, malicious emails, and fraudulent websites. McAfee Secure VPN lets you browse safely, and its AI-powered text scam detector spots threats instantly. You'll also get up to $2 million of award-winning antivirus and identity theft protection, all for just $39.99 for your first year. Visit McAfee.com. Cancel anytime. Terms apply.
It's 8 a.m. Eastern, March 17th, and this is your daily crypto report. Bitcoin is up slightly at $83,497. ETH is down slightly at $1,911. XRP is up slightly at $2.34. Strategy has purchased another 130 BTC for $10 million at an average price of $82,981 per Bitcoin, bringing its total holdings closer to 500,000 Bitcoins worth over $41 billion. The company's total Bitcoin stash was acquired at an average price of $66,360 per Bitcoin. Well, Hayden Davis, the self-proclaimed facilitator behind the controversial Libra token linked to Argentine President Javier Milei, is reportedly tied to another meme coin, Wolf, which crashed 99% from its $40 million peak after launching on March 8th. Blockchain analytics platform Bubble Maps traced Wolf's origins to the same wallet Davis used for Libra and the official Melania meme coin. The token was hyped by at Wall Street Bets on X before its collapse. Meanwhile, an Argentine prosecutor has requested an Interpol red notice for Davis as the Libra scandal, dubbed Cryptogate, continues to shake Argentina. Well, North Korea's Lazarus Group now holds over $1 billion in Bitcoin, surpassing the Bitcoin reserves of Bhutan and El Salvador, according to Arkham Intelligence. The jump in holdings follows Lazarus's $1.4 billion hack of Bybit in February, where the group laundered stolen funds through Thorchain and other DeFi protocols. Prior to this, Lazarus was behind major attacks, including the $615 million Ronin hack in 2022 and a $308 million theft from Japan's DMM Bitcoin last year. North Korea reportedly funds around half of its weapons programs through cyber attacks and crypto thefts, despite global sanctions. The U.S. remains the largest nation-state Bitcoin holder thanks to seizures, with close to 200,000 Bitcoins. Well, WeMix Foundation's CEO said the 4-day delay in announcing a $6 million hack was to prevent market panic. The attack on February 28th saw hackers steal 8.6 million WeMix tokens from its PlayBridge platform. The CEO admitted responsibility for the delay, explaining that an immediate announcement could have exposed the platform to further attacks. The hacker, reportedly a professional, infiltrated the system by stealing a service monitoring authentication key. WeMix shut down the compromised server and reported the incident to local police, ruling out North Korea's Lazarus Group as the culprit. Following the hack, WeMix token prices dropped 40% before the March 4th announcement. To stabilize the market, the foundation announced a buyback of $7 million worth of tokens on March 13th and later added another 20 million tokens. WeMix plans to relaunch full services on Friday with enhanced security. And finally, global crypto funds saw almost $2 billion in outflows last week, pushing the 5-week total to a record $6.4 billion, according to CoinShares. Year-to-date inflows have dropped below $1 billion. Bitcoin-based funds led the losses with $978 million in outflows last week, bringing their 5-week total to $5.4 billion. U.S. investors drove the exodus, accounting for 93% of all outflows. Ethereum funds lost $175 million last week amid a 10% price drop, while Solana-based products saw $2 million in outflows. Analysts say macro factors, including potential Fed moves, could dictate the next price swing. That's all for us today. Visit us at dailycryptoreport.io and listen to us everywhere else you podcast under Daily Crypto Report.
How are business leaders working to confront climate change? For that answer, listen to the award-winning Climate Rising podcast, produced by Harvard Business School and hosted by me, Mike Toffel, a professor at HBS. Each episode, we share a behind-the-scenes view into how startups and the biggest businesses like Microsoft, Google, and Seventh Generation are tackling the central issue of our era. Check out Climate Rising wherever you get your podcasts.
Hi, I'm Rick Rubat. And I'm Royce Yudkoff.
Are you interested in becoming an entrepreneur, owning your own business, and being your own boss?
Our new podcast from Harvard Business School, Think Big, Buy Small, explores becoming an entrepreneur through the acquisition of an enduringly profitable small business. In this series, we guide listeners how to buy their own small business, including determining if this path is right for them, evaluating prospects, raising the capital they'll need to purchase a small business, closing the deal, and more.
Follow Think Big, Buy Small, wherever you get your podcasts.